Okay, here's a simple job. 86 Chevy Cavalier, and do the coolant, classic, the coolant temperature sensor and plug. So I'm gonna take that out. I ordered this from eBay. There's the part number, if that mean anything. And you need a 19 millimeter wrench
to remove the
thing that's on there. So I have a. We got a guest appearance from Roy Barnes. Well, it's his car, so he.
Yeah, watching the master mechanic do their work, so I can learn how to replace it myself next time.
Yeah, next time you get an 86, or maybe you might get an older one. I don't know.
Yeah, I love classic cars.
Yeah, he loves classic.
Sure, you
cars.
Guys do.
Make sure that's start gushing out on me. You don't know. Not like we do 86 Cavaliers there all the time. Oh. Okay. Mr. Owen. And ratchet. We're gonna do the plug. Okay, got that. Now we're gonna do the plug here. We're gonna use these pliers we got from Harbor Freight. We could have used that. We could have used this butter knife too, but nope, it's
two wires, man. It's two wires, ain't it?
Yeah, 2 wires. And we're gonna trim them. Use the wire trimmer here. Okay, a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, there we go. We're gonna use this guy here. Yeah, easy to make that. I love this tool here.
Right.
Because you know it's easy to. Plus you don't damage the wire because you use the other ways.
We'll straighten that wire out.
Yeah. Okay. More. A little bit longer.
Straighten that wire out.
Yeah. Yeah. A little bit longer. Get a little bit more on it. A little bit more bite. That might be it. Okay. And I'm gonna do this one here. Okay. Do that one. Okay. And what you do, I got this kit from Heat Shrink from Harbor Freight here.
Right.
And they're from Harbor. We on? Gotta get the camera over there. All right, where's that? There you go. What you do is let me show you. You slide these on. You gotta slide them on like that. Yep. So I'll show on the camera. Slide those on, and then I'm over here. Make sure I'm on the cameras. It's different when you're trying to do it on camera versus just doing it. That's what they gotta get used to, you know. You know. Yeah, that's spin it. Oh shoot.
Yeah, let me do it. Let me do it.
What? No.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me throw it this way.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that help.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Ooh, now I gotta put black on black. You put on the wrong one. Oh, did I put on the wrong one? I don't know.
You got one on the black already.
Yeah, I had one on there. Make sure I'm doing it on the camera. See which one? I was on the white one. Okay. There you go.
Let me touch that for you, together for that too.
Okay.
Back.
Put it down here.
Right. I got you. See, he laughed at my little hand, but see how handed it off.
Well, I ain't nothing about this little hand here. Okay. Okay. What you do is we're gonna just put black on black and red on red. I mean black on black and white on yellow, I guess. Gotta do it like this. And we're gonna slide this down here like that. Slide the heat shrink down here like that. Now we're gonna take the heat shrink gun. And do the other one. Slide it on down there. Slide it on there. That way we don't have to try to do no wire crimping, stuff like that.
In a tight spot like this.
Yeah, that'd be kind of a little bit brutal. So, okay. 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 Nice off-brand heat gun from Amazon for $18.
Make the job quick and easy.
Yep. Okay, and that's how you do it. The 86 Cavalier.
Classic.
Classic. I think, is it an ES too?
Probably.
And here's how you put the thing back in there. And shoot!
What happened?
He gonna touch me. Touch my skin. There you go. Boom!
You cooking with gas.
Cooking with gas. And I burn myself too.
Oh, that's all right.